Welcome to the tutorial of the BBMRI-ERIC Directory. The directory is a broad catalogue of biobanks with their samples and data on collection level. You can browse and filter by country, sample type, quality marks, and more. We're now on the directory main page, and I'll walk you through it. Here, you can see the cards. Each card represents a biobank. On a biobank's card, you can see a list of available collections. If there are several collections available in this card, you can see them by scrolling down. By clicking on this link, you can flip the card and access more information about the biobank, such as collection types, the main contact, and the biobank's capabilities. If you need more details about the biobank, you can always click on More Details to go to the biobank page. You can flip the biobank card back to view the collections again. You can also view more details about each collection of the biobank by clicking on More Details here. This will open the collections page. In some biobank cards, you may see this green icon, which indicates whether the biobank has a quality label. By hovering over it, you can see the quality label type. Also, the quality label of each collection is specified in its specifications. When you hover over the blue question mark, you can see the type of quality label of the collection. Now back to the directory. How can you find a specific biobank or sample that you're looking for? In the search bar, you can search for your desired biobank by searching for the biobank name, collection name, or the diagnosis. For example, you can type Gratz if you're looking for the Gratz biobank, and you can see that the result shows you the biobank Gratz card. Or you could use the filters to narrow down the results. For example, you can filter by diagnosis or a specific country. You can filter material type or search for biobanks with a specific quality label. On the top left corner, you can see the number of results specified by the number of organizations, number of collections, and sub-collections. If you're not interested in the filters, or you would like to search for different collections, you can click on the Clear All filters to reset them all. Let's put some filters back on. When you find the collections that you're interested in, you could proceed to request them. You can select the collection by checking the box next to the collection name. You can also select several collections by checking the top box. At any time, you can have an overview of the selected collections on the request card by clicking on this button. You can also clear your request card by either clicking on the cross icon next to each collection or by clicking on the Remove All button. If you're happy with the selected collections, you can now proceed by clicking the Request button. You can have a final view on your selected collections. Please note, you should look out for this icon, which specifies if any of your selected collections are non-commercial only. In the filters, you can use the collaboration type to filter collections that are available for commercial use or non-commercial use only. To continue, click on Send to the Negotiator to be directed to the negotiator. On Negotiator, you can send and receive requests, negotiate access conditions, update and track status of requests, maintain oversight of transfer of samples and data, and receive support for data return. So let's click on the Send to the Negotiator button. Here, you're required to log into your negotiator account or create a new account. And if you have trouble signing up or logging into the negotiator, make sure to watch the video on how to register for the negotiator. If you're already logged into the negotiator, then you should see this page. The next video will show you how to submit your request to the negotiator.